My belief is that the role of the equipment manager and the team inside the shop is to perform our role to the best of our abilities, to provide the tools, equipment, and resources to the superintendents to do the best to their abilities. It's a full team aspect all the way around. We do our part so they can do their part. My career originally started in the golf industry, pursuing the superintendent side of the industry. While I was at Baldestraw, I actually got to know the equipment manager there. He showed me just how successful the equipment management side of the industry can be. I really always had a passion for mechanics, and so I kind of learned that that was probably my chosen career path. We started back in spring of 2016 when I became part of the project. There was no maintenance complex. When I got here, I immediately realized I don't want to work on equipment on the sand. My current assistant, Tim, helped me build a shop floor out of pallets and plywood. And then my toolbox was my current tools from home. My workbench was the tailgate of my pickup truck. I have a great team in the shop. My assistant equipment manager, Tim Mitchell, his experience started at the construction level of seeding the golf courses. And so I was like, you know what, this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna snatch you up. And once I got him in the shop, he never looked back. And then I also have Kevin McElroy, who is our equipment technician. He has been a huge part of our reel program this year and keeping everything dialed in. If there's tasks that we don't know, we're all gonna learn it together, and that's what makes it a lot of fun. Our fleet is about 98% Toro. If you count everything kind of in one swoop, we're looking at a little over 300 pieces of equipment. Toro has been really great to work with, and I'm very thankful that we went the Toro route here at Sand Valley. Being able to work with Toro at the corporate level, as well as Reinders, working at the distributor level, the quality of service is just exceptional, and I wouldn't trade it for anything. The biggest challenges that we face are maintaining our organization and our planning and working with the superintendents to ensure that all the communication is right there to where we're providing everything that they need.
Well, Austin has a big job on his hands here. We have 3 golf courses and he's responsible for maintaining all the equipment. He brings to the team a lot of organization and planning. With all the multiple course aspect to our property, we have to have a lot of planning and communication among all the groups to really make things flow well.
Keeping your cutting units as sharp as possible. So much of the success out there is all because of cutting unit maintenance.
Any superintendent would tell you that the equipment manager is probably the most important person on your staff, and I would agree with Austin's the most important person that we have here.
We've come a long way in the last 3+ years from starting with nothing now to this beautiful grounds complex. And we've always learned something different that worked and didn't work, and how can we tweak this, and how can we change this, and let's put this over here, and that's what really makes it a lot of fun. So what I would like to see is us to dial in our operation and be able to keep the highest quality of cut in the nation.